Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and I just finished with CES 2020 here in Las Vegas, and it was exhausting, it was fun, it was exciting, and it's done. But I wanted to get back to some of my more regular programming, and that means reviews. And I've been testing out something during the past week at CES that I couldn't talk about since I was under an embargo. But that embargo has been lifted. So for the past week, I've been testing these. These are the TicPods 2 Pro from Mobvoi. Now you remember Mobvoi, who brought us the TicWatch Pro with LTE and the TicWatch Pro, the original. And they sent me over these to test out. Of course, I couldn't talk about it, but I gotta say, these are really good, truly wireless earbuds that certainly rival the Apple AirPods and are better in a lot of ways. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at the TicPods 2 Pro from Mobvoi. Coming up. Now before we begin, if you like these type of videos, why not hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell. This way you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Make sure you follow me on all the social media, especially Twitter and Instagram. I'll let you know when I post a new video on those platforms as well. And of course, as I always do, here's my standard disclaimer. I am not being paid by Mobvoi. I'm not being sponsored by Mobvoi. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own, and no one is seeing this video before it's released. The review unit was sent over free of charge from Mobvoi for me to check out. The TicPods 2 come in at $99, and the TicPods 2 Pro, which is what I have here, come in at $139. But right now, if you pre-order before January 15th, you can save 10%. That's a pretty good deal. Now you can get these in 3 different colors: Ice, Blossom, and what you see here today, Navy. And with that out of the way, let's find out what you get inside the box. Let's open it up. And I have to say, it's really nice packaging. I think Mobvoi does a really good job in terms of the unboxing experience, that's for sure. Now, opening the box, you're greeted by some documentation, and that's going to let you know how to pair the device and instructions on just how to use this device. It's been pretty detailed. It's really good. Now, of course, you get a charging cable that uses USB-C. I love that. And of course, you get your charging cradle. Now, this is the navy color that they sent over, and it's a well-made plastic case, and it has a really good feel in the hand, and it also is a pretty compact case. Opening it up, of course, you're greeted by the earbuds themselves. And once you open the case, they're ready for pairing. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and pairing is extremely easy, connecting to my Pixel 4 XL without any issues. So far, the Mobvoi app is very impressive, especially when you use it with the TicPods 2 Pro. It really gives you a lot of control over these earbuds. I will go more in depth in my full review. Now, one thing you want to know about this case is that you're going to be able to charge these devices and get a total charge of 20 hours, and that's a pretty good figure. Now, individually, you're going to get 4 hours on a single charge for these earbuds without the charging case, so keep that in mind. But these are really good battery numbers, and for my real-world testing, I look forward to making sure that holds up in everyday use. And just like the AirPods, when you open the charging case, it'll let you know on your smartphone what the battery level is on the TicPods and on the charging case itself. Now, the earbuds themselves are a very high quality design. Now, I have to say I like the look of these. I love that dark navy color. It gives it a really sleek look in my opinion. I like it much better than the AirPods with their kind of boring white at this point. It has head gesture controls, touch controls, and voice controls as well. And as far as comfort and fit so far, really good, forming a nice seal in the ear canal. And I like the fact that this has an IPX4 rating, making these water resistant, allowing you to run with these in the rain and working up a really good sweat. And I love the fact that it works so well with the TicWatch Pro with LTE. And speaking of the TicWatch Pro with 4G LTE, I will be posting my long-term review very shortly to see how it's held up over these last few months. They're powered by the Qualcomm aptX audio chip, and they employ dual mic noise cancellation. I can't wait to give you my full report in the full review. But suffice it to say, during my week with them during CES 2020, they've been really good. Stay tuned for that full review.
So
what do you think about these bad boys, the TicPods 2 Pro from Mobvoi? I think these are really great so far. I will be doing a full review, so stay tuned. I will have that coming to you very soon. But in the meantime, rest assured, I've been using these at CES 2020 for the past week, and I like the fit, I like the comfort, and I like the sound so far. But again, I need to do further testing to bring you that full review. You do get the touch controls, the head gestures, and of course the voice commands, all that come together to give you a good experience. Now I'm going to test out the battery life. Now Mobvoi says you're going to get 20 hours with the included carrying case, but with these alone you're going to get about 4 hours. Now I don't want to give you the figures yet. I'm still testing it, and I will bring you the final results in my full review. But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. Right now, if you order these before January 15th, 10% off over on the Mobvoi site. I'll put the link in the description below. Now the starting price of the TicPod 2s are $99, and for the Pros, $139. Again, 10% off that if you order before January 15th. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, AMDtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMDtech. See ya. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at the TicPods Pro 2. No. Hey everybody, it's Andrew. Can't do this. Hey everybody. Okay, calm down. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at Mobvoi's TicPods. I get tongue-tied on this one. TicPods 2 Pro. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at the TicPods.